Hello, my name's Jeff Dover, and today we're going to have Sara Root tell us what gap insurance is. Every now and then clients will come into our office and have issues with their property damage, and the term gap insurance will come up. So if you would, define it for our viewers, Sara.
Okay. Gap insurance is a type of insurance that essentially bridges the gap between what the fair market value of your vehicle is and what you still owe on the vehicle. So if you financed your vehicle and you owe more money on the vehicle than the vehicle is actually worth, the gap insurance comes in and covers whatever that difference is, and it's bridging the gap. That's not a part of your auto insurance coverage. It's a separate type of insurance, and it's usually purchased at the time you purchase the vehicle. And it's part of that paperwork that you're signing off on when you purchase the vehicle.
In your experience, when you've run across folks that have gap insurance, is it expensive at the time of the purchase of the vehicle?
No, it's usually pretty minimal, and it's so important to have. So, it's something that you want to inquire about at the time you're purchasing the vehicle. A lot of times people may think it's one of those additional things that they're trying to throw in and sell you on that you don't really need, but it really is critical to have it, because the last thing you want to do is find yourself upside down at a time when you've been in a wreck. That's the last thing you want to have to deal with. So having the gap coverage is very critical.
You defined the term upside down. Tell us what that means, upside down.
So when I say that, I mean essentially you owe more on the vehicle than it's worth. So when the car, let's say the car's been totaled, you've been in a wreck, you still owe $15,000 on making your car payments, but the insurance company is only going to pay you $10,000 because that's what your car is worth, the fair market value. So then there's $5,000 there in my example that isn't covered. It would be covered by the gap insurance. So that's where it comes into play.
Very good. Thank you.